Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out the community and other stories on the I Am Sober application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, you should tap on the community button down below, which is the third option. So if you tap on the communities button at the top, that's the first section, you are going to find a bunch of users and their posts here. And if you want to, you can also check out, so that's the day 0 section, you have a day 1 and all milestones. Here you can find these categories that you can choose from, and if you tap on this menu icon, you can check out communities according to different addictions. As you can see, each addiction has their own communities. So if you are interested in, for example, alcohol and drug communities, then tap on the first one, but there are also about caffeine. So here you can find this community section. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.